Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this very tricky math question and you fail to solve this, and the question is 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 6. Try to solve by your own and comment your answer, whatever it will be right or wrong. I will give you shout out here. These are top commenters and you can be the part of this list by commenting your answer. Don't worry about right or wrong. I will give you shout out here. So here we can see our question number 11. There are actually two operations are there. So we will write here first PEMDAS. We will use here the PEMDAS and KCF. PEMDAS stand for parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, and KCF stand for keep, change, flip. So division, there are two operations, both are division, and in that case have the same priority. We have to operate this from left to right. So first we will operate this. Okay. So here we will use the KCF. Here we have to keep 1 by 8 as it is, and we have to change this division into multiplication, and we have to flip 1 by 2 into 2 by 1. Similarly, we can write like this. So there are many ways, like you can solve here and you can also solve it later. So I will show a stepwise method. So I will solve here 2 times 1 and 2 times 4, that is equal to 8. So here we will write here 1 times 1 and 4 times 1 divided by 1 by 6, or this can be written as 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 6. So similarly we will operate here also the KCF. So we will keep 1 by 4 as it is. This division is changed to multiplication, and 1 by 6 will be changed to 6 by 1. Now we will do simple mathematics here. 2 times 2, 2 times 3, that is equal to 6, or you can say 3 by 2. Okay, so here 3 by 2 is the right answer, or you can say 2 1 by 2. This is the name. Okay, that's not 1 1 by 2. This is the right way. 1 1 by 2. Okay, and if you're seniors, then must check out our best product link in the description, and like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.